it's Lucy from Sticker Guru, and today I am talking about our monthly subscription box for June. It is so gorgeous. I love summer. It's my favorite season, not just because my birthday happens to be during the summer, but because it's just like the perfect time for vacations, tropical places, the beach, the ocean, all that good stuff. This kit embodies all of those things, and it's just a combination of everything that I love. So we're gonna walk you through this entire month's box. So first off, we have our weekly kit. This is a full weekly kit. It's with our Luxe Premium Matte paper, and it's in gold foil, as you can see here. We have the first page, which is our full boxes, and I'm really loving just the little gold foil accents on this, like that tropical drink. I'm ready for a pina colada right now on the beach. And the florals are really gorgeous. Just really love how this turned out. It looks beautiful under the light. And like I said, this is Luxe Premium Matte paper. So it's this smooth, buttery paper that's a little bit more sturdy, thick than our usual weatherproof matte. And then we have our second page, which is our washi strips and headers. And then here we have our boxes, our functional boxes. Really love all the fruits in this kit. Tropical fruits are my favorite kind of fruits, so feeling like I need to have some tropical fruit after this. And then we have our last page with our date covers and other functional items. So that is the full size weekly kit. It comes with June deco, so you can see here a lot of florals and fruit. This is really perfect if you want to stretch out your kit for the month. I feel like this really helps with, you're able to then stretch it out to like 2 weeks or more. And then we have our foiled stickers here. They comes with 6, and they are also gold foil like the kit. So here we have tropical drink. Love these drinks. I especially love the umbrellas. I'm really obsessed with umbrellas and drinks. I don't know why, but it just really adds a nice touch to them. And then we have our Monstera date dots, again, helping you with stretching out this kit and all the stickers so that you can use it for the entire month. Then we have Monstera leaf, really cute. And also we wanted to go with this tropical theme because you would probably use this in July. Oh, and this is the palm tree deco, also very cute. So you would probably use this in July, and so I feel like this is the perfect theme for July since it's the best month of the year, not just because it's my birthday month. This is Tropical Have. And then finally, I love this wave so much, the Great Wave Circle. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with these waves. And so that is it for our stickers. A lot of stuff here. We do tend to sell out. So we've been selling out. We sold out in April and we only had a handful left for May. So we're expected to sell out for June as well. So just a heads up. This is our journaling card. It says make waves. I like putting these up and just looking at them. I don't know, it's just, they're like really motivational / calming for me. I don't know how to explain it, but so that's the journaling card. And we still have our sticky notes here. And our sticky notes are made from vellum. They're transparent. This one's called Sea Breeze, and I'm actually going to take it out of its packaging so you can see what the color looks like. So when you peel off the sheet, it tends to look lighter than it appears, so like this, because it is transparent, or really they're translucent, but you know what I mean. So these are perfect with the Sakura Micro Perm pen. We also sell those in our shop, and that pen also works really well with all of our stickers, and it's personally my go-to pen. And then finally, we have our washi. We have our 5mm washi and our 15mm washi. The 5mm washi, and they're both in gold foil, by the way. Really love how the blues / it's like ocean blue or like sea blue, sea glass blue, mint slash turquoise. I don't know what to call this color, but really love how everything matches and just reflects the color of the ocean. So the 15 I always have problems with peeling this off, but I swear the washi it's just my nails are really hard to use. I had literally just put on these nails before this video. So this washi roll, again, I feel like these also really help with stretching out the kit for the entire month. Because you can use these as like your bottom washi or as headers, dividers, etc. So we incorporated the 5 because I feel like it really brings together, like the 50 is cute, but I feel like the 5 is just like the cherry on top. So that is the June box. Just a reminder on how our monthly subscription box works. So enrollment starts on the 1st of every month. So for the June box, it started on June 1st, and it goes until we sell out or until the end of June. So whichever comes first. But I definitely wouldn't wait because like I said before, we are most likely going to sell out. So I would hate for you to miss out. And you can actually purchase this in our shop for a one-time price of $30. And the total value of this box is $50 to $55, like at least $50. So amazing steal. And then actually this weekend we're doing something really fun. We're gonna have the one-time box available for $25 instead of $30. So if you've been meaning to try out the June box, now is the time. And then if you want to save even more money, you can either subscribe and save at $24 a month, or you can save even more by buying our prepaid monthly. We have like 3 months, 6 months, and a whole year. So you can save up to, it'll end up being $21 per month. Like that's crazy. Crazy, crazy good. Like you can't even get a kit for that price nowadays. So it's a really good deal. Highly, highly recommend getting it before it sells out. I'll have the link down below. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the love. I love seeing how you guys use your monthly boxes. When you guys tag us in your Instagram posts, like it really makes our day. So I want to say thank you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment what themes you want to see in the future, turn on your notifications so you never miss a video with us. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.